In this video, I will show you how to streamline your operations by using the power of Claude and Notion together to create professional standard operating procedures. Managing a business or a project often feels overwhelming when your processes only live in your head or in messy notebooks. By integrating these two powerful tools, you can turn your rough ideas into structured documents in just a few seconds. To get started, you need to open your Claude chat and look for the plus symbol in the chat bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you can manage your integrations. You need to make sure that you turn the Notion integration on so that Claude has permission to write directly into your workspace. Once that is set up, you are ready to move on to the prompting stage. For the best results, gather your scattered process notes, a meeting transcript, or even a rough voice memo and paste them into the chat. Now you will give Claude a specific command. You should tell it to create a new page in your Notion SOPs database. Give it a clear title such as the name of the process you are documenting. It is very important to ask Claude to format the page with clear headers such as the overall objective, any prerequisites needed before starting, the actual step-by-step instructions, and a section for troubleshooting common issues. After you press enter, you just sit back and watch as Claude builds the structured document instantly inside your Notion workspace. This method eliminates the tedious work of formatting and organizing, allowing you to focus on the quality of your work instead of the administration. It ensures your team always has access to clear and consistent guidance without you having to manually type every single detail. I hope this helps you reclaim your time today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one for more productivity tips.